Good morning, MMTs. I'm about to share with you again one of the greatest things that we did. And intuitive surgical, I have told people over and over, if you really want to know why we're really good at short these moves, we are going to tell you right here, right now, so that you could see the past performances that we were doing with ISRG. You must remember that stockmarketfunding.com, market maker school and everything is quite different than anything else you see. Why? Everybody likes to talk about something when it goes down or when the bad or good news is there. Well, that doesn't make you money. What you can do here is you can simply go to the search box, type in what I'm going to do, ISRG, bam. And you know what? It's going to pull up the ISRG trades and things that were related to ISRG. And you have plenty of pages here and plenty of live tradings. Here you go. Opening bell, short, put options, play, just take the time. We have your historical data here and whatnot, and you're going to get all the similar trades to ISRG. And we've been covering this stock since it was a little less than $15 a share. And you got all of your history right here. Utilize your resources on stockmarketfunding.com. Why? Because it's live, it was before the fact, and you can count on the historical data. Now, what we are clearly saying again, that the FDA and the ECFI issues was that there was some severe questions about the safety of the Da Vinci unit. Now, this is a great trade because I want you to know this right here. We have the live trade last week. What I really want you to see at $500 right here, see, they took that bad news when they thought it wasn't going to be a problem and the stock was at 443 on the opening bell on 331. Some news comes out. There's your super gap. Open it at 486. Now here, 504 on the open here. Check it out. 519, 541 the high. And this was the royal kiss goodbye. You got to understand that that gap was based on headlines. They're not to be believed. Let me tell you that. And if they were, then you wouldn't be back here breaking the 50-day, the 40-day, bust gap down. Listen, there is some more issues. Remember that stockmarketfunding.com has informed its traders, investors, back in December of 2013, that we were short sellers at the right time and to take advantage of the volatility. And every one of these that have these volatility gaps, I'm sorry to tell the bull, that was 541. Now, that stock, believe it or not, its low was 433. That's a 100-day reversal. 100, you go back, it's really a 100-point reversal. But a 100-day reversal is that you go back 100 days and you look at where the name is. It's a daily chart. It's broke and we're going to go lower. Now, having said that, I'm going to be covering also other names that the bull has been stuck again. And they stuck a big pig fork in his butt right here. So, their failures that people did is our glory and our entries. So for all the failures there are out there on ISRG, well, we are going to be the ones who get to make the money now because we were disciplined. And not only that, now that we're going to really break down and make some more lows, this is on a daily chart. We're ready to go lower. And also, I'm going to just throw it in here on the monthly ISRG so you can see it. You can see right here what it looks like. This is important for you to look at because you can see in 213, 12 and 13 were major tops. Let's just call a spade right here. Not only that, this whole area, I'm going to blow it up and we're going to be shorting more. Every pop that they get in the earnings season, we are going to sell short like we told everyone to do here. Now, when you see it here, check it out. We are going to do the following. This is a volatility headline that got this right back up here on this monthly level. And right now, if I take the body of this monthly level right here, this equals what used to be monthly support has become now on the month of so far, April. April. No, it's not April Fool's Day. No, today is a good day, 4/13/2014. And we're going to make another home run trade based on the volatility, based on the failure of it. Look at markets are never fair. Not only that, my MMTs, we're going to be able to go back over here and go ISRG. And now, yes, this is the $500 million question. How do I make another big trade out of it? And why is it that no matter what, even on the monthlies, but so much on April 25th, which is right here, this is the next big expiration, and I'm going to show thy a very important move that is going to come our way. And basically, we are going to be looking at what they did back over here. Now, today is 4/13. We're just looking to see where these were. So we know one thing for sure. If we go to a monthly and we go to a 350 put, this is a monthly chart on the put. But if we can get into these for around 80 cents, we would love to be able to get in deep below the money on a monthly level. Here's a 375 put that had a low of some penny ranges. And right here, $1.05 was the low when I'm showing you these put charts. When we look at the 390 put, oh my goodness, it was cheap all right. And this is a monthly view. $10 was a high. Then in that volatility, they got it down to $1.60. And this is everything that we want to be. So let's put it in our market minder list, MMT. And these are some big, fat trades. Not only that, I'm going to cap off the monthly. And I'm going to say hallelujah. Because that's what it is. And the 10-month crossed over the 40-month. That's a death cross. No, I'm sorry. The pink line on this one is the 50-month moving average. When you get a 10-month and that value is 401 and you cross over that 50-month, that's something big. But we already knew it was going to go down when we clearly said over here that 10-month had just started this crossover right here. We knew to short it there. That was a clean break. Now listen, the headlines, and we're the first ones to tell you that that was based on a technical right there. The 10-month crossing over the 20-month. And then the 10-month crossing over the 50-month. And the 20-month is declining in price. Yes, any volatility will remain short on ISRG for a very long time. There are days that it will go up, but nothing goes straight down. But in these options right now, there are some big moves based on ISRG. And once again, ISRG on this daily right here. You can see it on that daily. When they shot that rumor, that was a rumor gap. A rumor gap. And then, because it was a rumor gap, you're down here much lower, about to break the 50-day. Get on board and let's get rolling with ISRG.